Hi guys, this is Urban from Emo Wizard. Actually, I was just recording a video and I had an issue here. I actually was selecting the and didn't got selected. If that sometimes happens is a memory thing that is a known issue. I need to get solved. I'll have that solved for the next update. If that actually happens to you, all you have to do is close the tab and reopen it. It's a memory thing, and yeah, everything should work without problems now. So in case that actually happens, you just close the tab and open it again. I'm sorry, this known issue I need to get solved. So well, actually, let's do it again. So I am going to delete the avatar. Okay, and well, actually, let me create a new scene. No, don't save. Okay, so again, create a new UMA environment and all the stuff we usually do. Yeah, create an avatar and make a troll again. Oh, I'm sorry. I was I'm repeating the I restarted the video. I'm telling you what I was telling was that I'm going to make several videos about the normal stable features of the wizard. Right now, this one is also for the item system because I just wanted to further explain the previous video. But some of you guys have asked, well, told me that I actually have only done like demonstration videos, but I haven't made like a proper like tutorial and explain things a little bit more slowly about the features that are already in place. So I'll do that once I send this one. So this one is just to finish the item system inventory subject. I'm also going to make another one about the control, how to use the controllers you guys make yourself and adjust the locomotion what comes with Yuma. The wizard should be able like the script that it's around at the ed and the animation in edit mode should work with any controller that has like a single layer that you're not using like masks. So I'll make a video explaining that. I'll support several layers and masks and all those kind of things for the future update. Okay, so right now we're gonna finish the item inventory idea, the subject, and I'm gonna further explain with something that I'm sure you guys are gonna find cool. Okay, so yeah, troll, normal troll, press create, and we got the troll here. Select and select, and there's the troll. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the as we did in the previous the item manager. Load the script that is already well ready configured, and the inventory and the item selector. Item selector is as well basically the default values. The only thing we need to do here is replace this knife with sword. Well, maybe we can remove this one. Actually, let's remove also the gun. We're only going to you need to press update. And actually, if you're using a configuration that you guys know you're gonna keep using it, you can press save and give it a name and then reload it on a future moment. Although please remember that the scripts are likely to have small changes, so yeah. So be careful with that. Don't do nothing too complex. It's probably they're gonna get small changes. I'll let you guys know and publish on the forum what were the changes about, and I'll try to make like a script that detects that if some of the XML file layout changed for example for 122 and you're using a 121 script, it will make the proper conversion. So I'll include that if the scripts change actually. Okay, so we got the inventory, we've got the item manager, and actually, yeah, we can remove the gun. So you can press minus here, and you will only have one. Do note that you got the sword and the gun here in the inspector. Remember, you need to update. Okay, now we only have the sword, and here in the inventory, we only have the melee that it has the sword type name. So just swords. Well, we're gonna test now something a bit different than what we did in the previous video. Okay, so yeah, everything is updated, everything is in place. Let's use the katana. Let's put it here. Okay, and let's. I know the Sing Wizard right now is to make very basic things, basically for testing, and it'll have proper tools, more interesting tools in the near future. Okay, and troll, and let's do auto pickup to avoid yeah, using the other stuff. So okay, there's our avatar. Let's move it, and there's the sword. 1 1 1 1. Okay, so everything is in place. So what we're actually going to do now is that I'm going to show you what's the idea with the item types. So we've got this katana, and I did that in Blender. So let's open the katana file. Okay, it's this one. We actually don't need this. Let me get this out of the way. Delete. Okay, what we actually want to do now, like to be able to, like to use the well, the idea with the items. What we're going to do now is the following. We're going to make another, let's say, a hammer. Let's make a hammer. So let's change this name first. Let's say hammer. Okay, so we're now going to make a hammer. So let's do it this one. This is the origin. Well, actually, let's not delete it yet. Let's move it to the second. Yeah. Let's add. It's gonna be very basic, very simple thing. Actually, let's put it more or less as a guide. Yeah, it's gonna be very basic. What we actually want to do is demonstrate that you only need, well, that once you have the item type properly configured, no, let's move it. Once you have the item type properly configured, you only need to do this once, and after that, if any of your models they match the same origin point and orientation, they will simply work. So let's try to yeah, let's try to do a hammer. Sorry for that, and actually we don't need the sword anymore. Yeah, let's okay. Selection to question selected. Well, let's say this more or less makes sense. Let's call it hammer. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let's call this hammer. And let's do some basic UV. So material hammer. Let's unwrap it. Of course, I was missing. Yeah, let's try it again. Let's unwrap it. Let's add a new texture. Let's call it diffuse. Something very simple. 56. Smart UV project. Okay, yeah. We can use any thing you want. It doesn't need to be. For this example, it's gonna be just very basic. Let's paint it white actually. texture paint, and yeah, white. Let's put some color on it. The UV layout is not optimum, but it's just to prove the point, something very basic. Yeah. Let's give it something like that. Yeah, strange looking hammer. Okay, so we've got the hammer here. Okay, let's save this. Actually, we forgot to save the textures too. And hammer diffuse and save this image. Save this image. Yeah. So, oh, we're missing the blend. Save as stop experiment. The blender file. Okay, here it is. So now let's import this into Unity new folder, experiment, and let's import this. Okay, so here we have it. Well, let's leave the basic. Let's remove the animations. Yeah, we have a normal model. Now we're going to use another window. It's called the item tagger. What we're going to do here, let's say the weight is like 1 kilogram or whatever. Usually would want to select a pickable. And the tag that we're actually going to add is going to be this same tag. So what this item tagger will do is that it will help you add this to a scripts that you need here. So let's actually put it here. Yeah. Wow, it was kind of big. The hammer was bigger than I thought. Anyway, so this is the hammer. As you can see, we're actually missing one important thing that you'll have to do by yourself. That is adding a collider. Let's say a capsule collider for this one. Okay, we have the collider. So once this is here, you can just move it and drop it here, and you will automatically get this added into it. And you can make it, of course. Yeah, we got it here. So now it's a prefab. Okay, so we got our sword here and our hammer, sorry, and let's press play. Let's see how this works, and yeah, we got our hammer in place in the back. Well, this hammer was kind of huge, so it's probably neat, and we press 1. So that is basically the idea. Thank you for watching.